Welcome to Module 6. This is our second module on phonics, hence why it's called Phonics Part 2. This week we will be focusing on the 6 syllable types and effective phonics instruction. You will have a chapter excerpt to read from Fundamentals of Literacy Instruction and Assessment, Pre-K to 6. This chapter excerpt is on effective phonics instruction and is available on Canvas for you. Additionally, you will read Chapter 2 in Kilpatrick 2015 on how we teach reading and why it does not work with struggling readers. Then your extra reading for this week is on phoneme mapping graphing. This may seem long, but in reality the reading isn't 40 pages long. It's a little more applied with reading as well, and so you will check that out as well. I just didn't want you to freak out when you saw how many pages the download for that additional reading was. The discussion this week will cover your 2 chapters. Be sure to post your initial post by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. so your peers have an opportunity to check out your post. Then reply to 2 peers by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. My presentation this week is on 6 syllable types and phoneme graphing mapping. There is no chapter presentation from your publisher this week as we are not using Bursic and Damer. Instead of watching Dr. Mote's videos this week, I'd like you to complete some activities. First, there is a practice activity on 6 syllable types. You will practice breaking words into their syllables and identifying the syllable type of each syllable. Once you complete the blank worksheet on the 6 syllables practice, check your work by looking at the key online. Please don't look at the key until you have completed this on your own. You are not submitting this activity to me, but it will help you with your quiz. Also, there is an activity on phoneme graphing mapping. You will also complete this on your own and then check your work with the key online. It will also talk about 6 syllable types as well. Again, you're not turning in anything to me. This will help you for your quiz at the end of this module. Your quiz this week is much more applied than usual. You'll be asked to divide words into syllables and identify their syllable type, so be prepared to do this. You will also have to phoneme graphing map a few words. Then there are 2 multiple choice questions as well. Be sure to complete the practice activities on 6 syllable types and phoneme graphing mapping before taking the quiz. This will help you greatly. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in advance. Now go soak up all you can on phonics instruction in our last module of phonics and the 6 syllable types. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask me ahead of time. Thank you and have a great week.